Hello everyone, this is Anthony from XT Today we will introduce a question about Alibaba to you. And the question is, what to ask from Alibaba suppliers? Question 1, what kind of shipping method are there? For about shipping method, we can ship the machine by sea, by air, or by railway. And we can also ship to door, and door-to-door shipping method is also provided by us. And the second, how long is the shipping time? Generally, it's about 30 to 55 days, but it's different from the distance. So we cannot give you an accuracy time. It's different from the distance. And the second question is, how about the after-sales service? We will provide online service and local service. We will dispatch our engineer to test the machine locally. If they don't have local agents and engineer, we will guide the customer set the machine online until the machine can work. And if you want to learn more, know about our Alibaba suppliers, you can follow me and contact me now. That's all. Thank you.